This is how to change a power steering pump in a Ford Powerstroke diesel Super Duty. This has got the 7.3 in it. It's a 2001. First thing you gotta do is take your belt off here. You gotta put like a 1/2-inch ratchet or a breaker bar down there in the tensioner, and you just pull on it, and that loosens it up and you can get the belt off. The next thing we're gonna do is just unhook the alternator, kind of flop it back here. That way we can get to the bracket that holds on the power steering pump. Then we are going to unhook the 3 lines that hook up the power steering pump, unhook the bracket, and we should be able to pull the pump out at that point. I'm popping the pulley off right now. I'll show you how this works here in a minute. Alright, I'm taking this fitting right here off right now. You could use an 18, but I think an 11/16 fit on there a lot better. Just seemed to fit on there a lot snugger, if that's a word. So I'm taking that one out, and then got the pulley off. I'm going to take out these 3 bolts and take it out, and then there's one other clamp hose like this one on the bottom that I'll take off when I pull the pump out. Alright, this is how a power steering pump pulley puller works. You can see on this pulley here, you've got this like raised lip here. What you're going to do is take this piece. It's got this ring on the outside, and then these 2 guys right here. What you're going to do, stick that like that so it goes around, and then you'll take this guy here, and you're going to need to have it all the way out. Alright, you have it screwed all the way out like that, and you set it in here. Those pieces go together. This ring goes around the outside, and then you put a socket on the outside here, and you have a wrench that holds that. You screw that down, 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 and eventually what that does is pushes on the shaft of the pump and pulls the pulley off. So then, let's say now you're ready to put the pump or pulley back on the pump, your new pump. Get all this stuff out of here. Make sure you're got a clean surface here to mate them together. And then you're going to get this guy out. There's several different styles here. Get the one that fits down here and threads into the shaft of the pump. You're going to screw that down in there. You want to screw that all the way down as far as it'll go. And then you're going to just basically tighten this down and have a wrench up or a ratchet up here, hold that, make sure it doesn't turn, and you just screw this down, and it just pushes that pulley back down onto the pump. Alright, so we got our new pump here, got our old one out, took the bracket out. You're not going to want to put the pulley back on until after you get the bracket back in there. You're going to want to flush out the fluid before and after. That just gets the old fluid, any junk that's in there, gets that out. Even if you buy a lifetime warranty pump, doing this over and over again gets kind of annoying sometimes maybe, so just flush the fluid. Alright, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and hit that thumbs up button. We're putting the pulley back on here. You just gotta put a ratchet or whatever on the end here. This rod screws into the shaft of the pulley, like I've explained before in the video there. You're just going to put the pulley back on, and then we're going to button everything up here, put the alternator back on, put the belt back on. I've already filled the reservoir up with fluid. Once you get it all put back together, you'll start the truck up, run the steering wheel all the way back and forth 3, 4, 5 times according to the directions. Recheck the fluid. I'd pump your brakes a little bit to get the fluid going through your brake booster or hydro booster, and just make sure you get everything, all the bubbles out of everything. So hope this video helped. If it did, please give me a sub and thumbs up. Appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.